first time anyone's ever considered a lady doctor. And a matter of fact, it's not. This has been in discussions for a while, but it's as if society wasn't ready for it, and they knew it. They had to wait for us to catch up to what the writers wanted to do, right? So Tome Baker, who some of you, if you know old Who, shall know is one of the most popular previous doctors, he actually said when they were switching doctors, and that was in 1980, I wish my successor, whoever he or she might be, the best of luck. So he was already planting the seeds of this possibility. And I think that's really interesting in 1980. What's funny is I often tell people, it's wonderful to watch news from other countries to realize there are different perspectives than our American perspective. And my favorite story is in 1980, when they announced the new doctor, the first story on the BBC News that evening was that Peter Davison would take over the job of Doctor Who from Tome Baker. The second news story in England that day was that Ronald Reagan had just won the American presidency.